Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to increase font size on WhatsApp on iPhone, then you are at the right place. First, you have to go to settings, but if you're using iOS version 18 or more than that, then you might face some different settings. And if you're using previous version on your Apple device, then you can see that different settings. You have to follow the different steps, like both on the both version you have to go to control center, and here in the previous version of iOS you will find all the controls available listed in here in this section, and you will find some controls that you have already added to your control panel, and you also can find some additional controls that you can add it to your control panel. Then you can find the text size among those, and you will find a green plus icon associated with those control. You just need to simply click on that, and you can find that the text size control has just added here in the control panel, and that's how you can just control the text size by this control. And if you're using iOS a version 18 or higher than this, then you just need to simply hold on the control panel and simply click on add a control. Now from here you'll find text size. Simply click on it and you can find I have just added the text size control in my control panel. Now click anywhere to save these changes, and here you can see I have just added this control. Now you have to go to WhatsApp. You have to open your WhatsApp application on your Apple device. Now scroll down, and here increase the level of text. If you increase it, it will increase the text size, and if you decrease it, it will decrease the text size. You can see the difference between both of the situation. And the 2 word is the normal text for your iPhone. You can set according to your need. You can set it for 3 word, 4 word, 5 or 6 word according to your needs. I'm going to select it 3 word, and here is the normal font size on for your WhatsApp application on your Apple device. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.